What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I haven't made a video in a week. Sorry about that. Been busy with stuff, Christmas stuff, blah, blah, blah. Anyways, let's get straight to the video. So, in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you my exact strategy that I've been using the past Topstep combines and what I use for my personal Forex account. Now, I know most of the time I sound scattered brained because I'm kind of speeding through the video and trying to demonstrate at the same time. So I actually decided to write down my exact strategy. And it's pretty simple. Number one, I look and mark up key levels. So key level could be support resistance, supply demand area, areas of interest, whatever you want to refer to it as. Mark up key levels. Number two, I'm looking for direction, and I use 200 EMA. That's been the main thing and the only thing I've been doing on my charts lately to see if we're in a downtrend or uptrend. As you see, we're kind of in a downtrend, but I know overall we're in a uptrend. But that huge move happened here because of obviously news and stuff over here, and then going back up, right? So when you're looking for direction, make sure you use the higher time frame to kind of confirm the overall market direction versus just looking at the 15-minute or using the indicator seeing you're in a downtrend because it may go against you, right? And then number three, I talked about this in my last video. I do not place market orders. So number three is entry. I place a stop order. If I do a market order, so I should word that better. If I do a market order, I wait for the rejection wick candle or rejection candle wick first. So for example, Friday, right? Around market open, say for example, I went along with my original strategy. So instead, this is 8:30 right here, right? So obviously, I'm seeing. Let me actually remove all of this. Where is it? Okay, remove the drawings, right? So obviously, I would mark this as the low. This is like the high when it's coming to that point in that day, right? And I would probably mark this up as well, right? So those are my three key areas. You can use lines or boxes, whatever you want to do. So I immediately know, okay, if it comes up here and it breaks out, comes up here and it doesn't reject, it's probably going to break out. So at 8:30, I probably would have got in for a scalp here, but I know the market has been coming down. They had this huge sell-off because of news, right? So I know the market's going to eventually correct itself and go back up. So my stop order would be above this, breaking above this high, right? Whatever you want to call it. But basically, above this key level of interest, right? So most likely, because this is at 2100, this is sort of like a psychological level as well, right? Where is my? Oh, it's up here. So my entry would probably be around here, meaning I know if it breaks above this level here, this little small level here, we're probably going to be going up. And as you see it go up, my TP3 would be here. So let me actually draw it, because I use green lines for TP. TP would be there right at this level here. TP2 around where the EMA is in case it starts to reject. And then TP1 would probably be around this area. And as the chart is going up, I'm moving my stop loss into stop loss profit. It's really that simple. Now, let's say I did a market order. Well, my market order, let's say I missed the 8:30 candle and I saw this red candle. I wouldn't actually get in until it broke this level here. So even then, it would be a market order. It would be around the same area where I would put my stop or whatever. But I'm getting away from market orders like I've been saying in previous videos. So let's actually start testing this. I'm gonna use Euro USD. This is my futures. I could use gold too, but let's go to Euro USD because some people may be trading. Where is it? Okay. let's do Euro USD because some people may be trading Forex over futures right now, right? So let's replay this. I'm going to pause the video and replay it. Actually, I could just do it right here. So let me select the date. Let's go to May 1st, 2024. Right? I don't want this to be these units confuse me because I didn't got used to futures. I think 100K is one lot. Okay. So as you see, we're going down. This would be a key area I would mark up. This would be another. Oh, golly, where's the line? Bro, why isn't my line drawing? There you go. This would be another one. And I could go to 4 hour, but I'm not going to do that. But it looks like we are at a key level here, right? So let's just see what happens. I'm going to just go over one candle. I need to reset this chart so I can see it all the way. So I'm not seeing what I want, right? But let's say, you know, I did see something. I would probably get in at, I don't know how to place it on here. Horizontal line, where is it at? I don't want to buy. I mean, I do want to buy. And I am going against the trend a little bit, but it is what it is. I really don't want to buy it right here. I really want to. I forgot how to do the stop orders on this stuff. Let me move this down. But let's just see it play out. So we end up going up. TP, be at this green line. TP3. Stop. At this moment in time, I'll probably place it halfway through the trade. So at 93, let's see where it ends up going. Boom. Simple. But my buy stop would have been somewhere in this area. Because as you see, when we entered here, it went up for a second and went down. I don't want to get in until I see that the market's coming my way. So even though I would have gotten here for a stop order, I would have my stop loss a little bit further down. But still, same thing. So then we get to this key level. I know we're selling off. So let's just see where it goes. And so far we're up 194. But let's say, for example, let's wait for it to get up here. Okay, we get up here. So let's place a sell. Why can't I, where's the, there's usually the things up here. But I don't. Okay, so let's just place sell here or whatever. I really don't want to. I really wanted to get a sell somewhere down here at this wick. So let's place stop loss above this area. And let's see where it goes. See what happens. Okay, it comes up. Let's see what it does. I get stopped out. So it must have been huge news. So it must have been huge news. That's fine, right? But like I said, if I was to do this, right, and I placed my sell right here, even though I want to be somewhere in this area, I would have already moved my stop loss up to break even or profit, right? And that's just to save me. But we are at this key area up here. So I really want to get in somewhere right here. But we're going to sell because I don't know how to do it. I think I could do it on futures. I don't know why I can't do it on Forex. And I want to take it all the way down here. But if we go into profit, I am going to move stop loss into break even. So we immediately came back down. So even though I just lost a trade here or whatever, like I said, I'm not really worried about this trade because I would have moved my stop loss into break even or profit. But this one, I'm really looking to trade at the key huge areas where we sell off aggressively, right? So this was a huge sell off aggressively. When I got in this trade, it was a huge, decent move up. But this one, it's in the middle of a key level, and we've already been coming down, so I'm not expecting it to have a huge sell-off. But when we got up here, obviously huge sell-off. So let's just keep it going for a little bit. We're up 395. Sorry. Let's see where it goes. If it comes back up there, let's just see where it goes because I'm not sure. Okay, it ends up selling off a little bit. So now, dang it. So I was going to say we could enter here, but we missed the entry. It's just reality and trading, right? Let's see if it breaks this high up here because it's been coming up here for a minute. Let's see. I think it's going to break it. Okay. Okay. So now what I'm going to wait on, I'm going to wait for a retest. But I really do want to place a buy up here. But let's just see what happens. See, I'll place a buy here. Let's put it. I'm looking to the left, so we'll put it at this high up here. Put it below this. So not a real good risk to reward ratio, but I'm just looking to get in, and if it moves my direction, we're going in for stop loss profit. See where it goes. Okay, it goes up into our area. I'm gonna move it halfway up. I'm gonna move this further out, right? So even if it continues to shoot up, we're good. If it comes back down, I'm up 84. Okay, it shoots back, it shoots down. We're still profitable, and there's a huge move up. And that's the thing too with trading. You're gonna be missing some trades because of things like this. That's just normal. So you might as well get used to it. So now, what's the new levels? New levels probably here, because we've been up. Golly, where's my freaking line? Okay. New highs up here. Bro, why is my lines messing up? That's why I use alerts now all the time. So we came all the way up here. Came down. Let's see where it goes. Okay, it's coming. It came back to this line. Ideally, I would like to get in here. This area. I don't know why I wasn't using this. Because we're kind of in an uptrend, obviously. And I know I've been trading against the trend. Don't worry about it. I'm not really too sure about this trade because it could keep selling off. But let's just say we get in. Forget it. I want to get up here. I want to keep a tight stop loss. But it's not going to be tight because I need space to work. See where it goes. Okay, we're in profit. Let's go to 80. So, actually, no. Sorry. I want to go to 91 because that would probably be around where my TP is. Because we got in for a market order. If we got in at the original entry where I wanted, then, you know, I would still have my stop loss somewhere down here. Let's just see where it goes. Okay, we get stopped out. But as you can see, every time my my trade gets to at least take profit 1, I'm willing to move my stop loss up to break even. If it hits 2, I'll move my stop loss up to take profit 1 or somewhere in the area. If it hits, if take profit 3 is hit before I can see it, if it's hit before I can see it, obviously I win the trade. But if I get to the charts before it hits take profit and I see it's gonna explode up like it did on this candle, I will move my take profit all the way out as far as I can go, and then keep, you know, moving my stop loss up. That's just a way I learned to trade. So let's see where it goes down. Kind of consolidating, going sideways. You can use this on consolidating markets if it's consolidated, but you just want to trade, you know, if it's going like this, for example. Where's the path to? You just want to trade these areas. If you're not, if you want to trade consolidated markets, you just want to trade the highs and lows. People kind of get stuck trading in the middle, and you don't want to do that at all. So let's keep it going. Let's go like one more trade. But like I said, I'm trading to let the market come to me. I'm not trading to chase the market with market orders anymore. I'm done with that. And even the way I was originally taught by the program I had bought, it said the same thing. Like, let the market come to you. Don't force trades. Okay, now we're at the EMA. It could probably use this as support resistance. We're in a downtrend though, or we're in an uptrend, but in this 15-minute time frame, we've been in a downtrend. So I just want to see where it goes first. Okay. If it comes up back to this line here, I'll get in. If not, okay. See, my entry would have been here if it would have got past this red candle wick or somewhere in this area. It might continue to sell off, so I think we might lose this trade, to be honest with you, because I feel like now at this point I feel like I've gotten it too late. But let's just see where it goes. Okay, we're up 14. Let me actually move this out to up here. I wouldn't be surprised if we sold off. Okay, we're not selling off. So I'm gonna move this up to $40. Even though it's a little bit, it's not a lot, but it can help a lot of people if they just get a $40 aftermarket. See where it goes. Okay, we get stopped out. So we're up 606, and we haven't lost any trades as far as I don't think so, or we probably lost one. But that's exactly how I'm trading the markets. Even with this trade, the clear level is right here. I did get in late, but I would have preferred to get in right here. Normally, I wouldn't really trade this because the market's really not moving. It's kind of just consolidating, right? But, like I said, we're doing this for example. I would have liked to get in right here or a little bit once it breaks this kind of candle. It doesn't really break the candle on this green one, but it does on the second candle, which made me get in here. Let me move it over. Right? And we still took the trade, but it's like what I'm saying. Like, I'm letting the market come to me. I'm not chasing trades anymore at all. Like, I refuse. I refuse to, and then look, it continues to go up because obviously we're in an overall uptrend. We were in a downtrend. We've been in an uptrend. Let's go to 4 hours, see if we're in an uptrend. Okay, in 4 hours, we're on the downtrend. And that's why I say it's important to note, look at the higher time frames to see what type of, if we're in an uptrend or downtrend, or are we consolidating? Because you can kind of get stuck in the middle trading. And another reason why I use the stop orders is because it kind of gets rid of all the overthinking in a sense. Because, for example, imagine you see this and you get in at this entry right here, right? And then as soon as it goes up for a second, it rejects. Actually, this is not even a good instrument to use for this. Let's go to US 100. This is NOS 100? I believe it is. Yeah, so it was NOS 100. Okay, so imagine, market's been trending up heavy lately. But let's say you get down here. Imagine getting in for a trade here, and then you immediately start seeing this go against you, right? Especially if you're one of those people who be on the chart, because I used to, still sort of am. I used to be one of those people who's on the chart watching a trade every 15 minutes, right? This can really give you a lot of anxiety and make you over analyze what you're doing. So you could be seeing this huge sell-off. You see it came down to some sort of a key level, right? And you're overthinking the trade, and then you see the red, and you're thinking, okay, I'm in the green, and then if you're standing longer than an hour, red comes back down to your entry. You're probably going to overthink that and be like, I'm going to close the trade or whatever. But meanwhile, the entire time, it's going back up. If I could draw it out. No, sir. Right? The whole time it's going back up. So, stop orders kind of prevent you from making dumb mistakes with overanalyzing, but also getting in and letting the market come to you. Compared to, for example, right here, trying to get this wick. So this is a key area, right? Price is constantly rejecting from this area at 17,306. 17 is, so it's around 17,300, which is a psychological number, right? And you're trying to wick this, trying to get in on this wick right here and chase it up, right? That takes a lot of like pressure and anxiety to trade compared to, okay, well, I'm seeing how prices reacting or whatever. Prices came down here, and it is rejecting a little bit, but instead of getting in right here and hoping it goes up, and then, for example, it just shoots down or whatever on me, I'm just going to place an entry right here. And if price decides to come up here, I'm pretty sure price is going to keep going up. As you say, it goes up. Same thing with up here. people be trying to top wick this, right? Let me look for a better example. Or for example, people, for example, there's this huge, it came down and then it pushed up. People would see this red when this is originally red and try to sell it, right? Because they want to get in on the fast money. But then all of a sudden, buyers come back in, push it up. Now you're stopped out, right? Versus, okay, it came up. I'm looking at this candle. It's pushing down, but let's see where it finishes. Okay, I see we're selling off. I mean, I see where there's a lot of buying pressure, but I think it's going to sell off soon. We're at a decent level. It's not too big, but there is a key level right here. As you see, this support area became resistance area. So instead of trying to get in on this candle here, let's just take a wait, oh, is that it? Okay, let me delete that. Let's just take let's put our stop order right here. Sorry. Let's put it above this area. Let's put a stop order right here at this area on this candle. And it may go against me, but I know there's a key level right here. If I get stopped out, I get stopped out. But I know most likely, or not most likely, I know the trade will probably come to me if it starts to sell off, obviously. So it comes down for a second. It's in profit. Leave the computer. Leave the charts. Comes up. You don't see this because you left the charts. And then you come back in and all you see is this huge sell-off here. Boom. Pretty simple, right? And that's what I'm trying to do with my strategy, and this is why I'm sharing it with you guys to help, not only help me, but help you guys in case you're struggling with, getting in and then the market's immediately going against you, trading at key areas, liquidity areas, blah, 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 right? This has helped me psychologically see what I want to see, have my analysis correct, trust my analysis, and just leave the charts, come back later, see I'm up. Either I'm up or down. I got to lose one way or the other. I got to lose or win. It's one way or the other, right? But that's it for the video. Sorry this video was too long. I know I was kind of yapping, but I really wanted to show you guys what's been working for me, because if it works for me, it could work for you guys. But that's it for the video. If you're interested in hearing more trading advice from me, make sure you follow me on Twitter. I mean, not Twitter, X now, but Twitter by clicking the link down in the description below. Or you can join my newsletter. It's completely for free. Join my newsletter where I talk about trading, my recent trades, blah, 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 this and that, this and that. But that's it for the video. See you guys next time. Peace.